Here are the differences between the Razer BlackShark V2 X and Razer BlackShark V2. Now with these two models that I have right here specifically, the V2 X is on the right and it's going to be the black on black as far as the logo goes, so you can tell that right away. And the BlackShark V2 is going to be the green on black. Now these are both wired headsets, 3.5 millimeter, non-detachable, but the first difference we're going to get to is that the microphone is detachable on the Razer BlackShark V2, but it's not detachable on the V2 X. Also, the way that these connect is a little bit different. They both have that 3.5 millimeter connection, but the Razer BlackShark V2 X also comes with a splitter so that you can use it with a desktop PC like that. And the Razer BlackShark V2 comes with a USB sound card, and this connects to Razer Synapse, so you can get a bunch of different settings and stuff like that, like EQ and things like that, and filters that you can apply like to your microphone in there. Which leads into another difference. You get the THX spatial audio with the Razer Synapse app with the Razer BlackShark V2, but you're going to have to use Razer's own like 7.1 surround sound app if you're going to be using the Razer BlackShark V2 X, because it doesn't connect directly to Razer Synapse. As far as the materials, the build is similar on both of them. They're mostly plastic, but they do have this kind of metal as far as the adjustment frame. However, the V2 has this cloth-like padding on the inside, and it's pretty cool. It doesn't trap in heat too much. The V2 X has this kind of cloth looking material, but it's not as soft as the V2. Personally, I find the V2s more comfortable, but it's really personal preference. But on the outside of the V2 X's, it has a little bit of pleather material, and something that's nice about this is it actually traps in sound pretty well. So that's something that's pretty cool about this device. Both of them have a volume wheel on the left ear cup. They got the mic mute button on there as well. Now the last major difference between these two is the microphone audio quality. Now it's not really the mic itself that is making these sound different, in my experience at least. It's more of the connection type. So this is the Razer BlackShark V2 X, and I have this going through the 3.5 millimeter cable and then the splitter going to my PC. Overall pretty clear, but it's not like super loud. It could use a little bit more gain, but it is what it is. Whereas the Razer BlackShark V2, which I'm talking into right now, it's connected through the 3.5 into that USB sound card. Now, when I do it like that, I find that the sound quality isn't quite as good if it's just 3.5 millimeter. So overall, both good microphones. It's just that I do find the sound quality of the microphone is not quite the same when you go through that USB sound card. Overall, I feel like the Razer BlackShark V2 is very similar to the V2 X, but the V2 does have some more features with that detachable microphone and connects to Razer Synapse with that USB sound card. So the V2 overall, I do think is the better headset, but if you don't need those extra features, then the V2 X is very good as well.